everyone, this is Selena for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the Majestic Unicorn Quick Color Stencil. That's part of the Enchanted Woods April 2022 release. So let's take a closer look. This is a 6x6 stencil, and it's meant to be used with the Majestic Unicorn stamp set and coordinating dies. So you can see here there are engraved lines to help with positioning everything nicely on top of the image. So either you can use it to stencil in first and then stamp the image on top, or apply quick color on top of already stamped image. So let's take a closer look. Here I have just stenciled that unicorn using those guidelines, and you can see you can use like very pale image as a background and stamp nice sentiment on top, or you can stamp directly on top and die cut it. So here's the coordinating stamps and dies, and here's the same unicorn that I've already stamped the line image on top and then die cut it using the coordinating dies. So let's take a look at few samples from our design team. So as you can see, you can do different effects. You can do gradient look, ombre look, solid look. You can apply glitter paste and so many other mediums to add interest to your unicorn. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, please visit our blog for more ideas and more inspiration. See you soon. Bye!